It happened during a college trip. We were crammed into this old motel, 4 of us to a room. It was rustic, let's say. Think peeling wallpaper and a TV older than I am. The first night was uneventful, aside from Mark snoring like a chainsaw. But the second night, that's when things got weird. It was exactly 3 a.m. I know because I checked my phone, annoyed by the persistent scratching sound, like fingernails dragging across wood. It was coming from inside the walls. "Guys," I whispered, nudging David awake. "Do you hear that?" He groaned. "Hear what? Mark's symphony?" "No, listen, scratching." He finally sat up, rubbing his eyes. "Now that you mention it." The scratching grew louder, more frantic. It was definitely inside the walls. Then a low, guttural whisper. We couldn't make out what it was saying. Suddenly, the scratching stopped. Dead silence. Then a child's giggle right next to my ear. I jumped. David swore under his breath. "Okay," Mark mumbled sleepily. "Who's playing pranks? I swear if it's you, Sarah." Sarah was in the room next door. We all froze. None of us were named Sarah. The rest of the night was sleepless. We kept the lights on, listening to every creak and groan of that old motel. We left the next morning, never looked back. But sometimes, late at night, I still hear that scratching, and the giggle always sends a shiver down my spine. Be careful which rooms you choose. You never know what might be listening.